Okay, first, hopefully successful power up.
What's this?
What's that? That's a USB header that we don't have any more room for.
You don't have more USB?
No,
You
we do
should.
not.
Come on, cut the crap.
Nope. We do not.
It's this fucking video card. It's so big.
Yeah.
You have...
We should probably plug those video cards in. What do you say?
I say okay.
Okay, we'll come back in a second. All right. For a successful boot up, everything is plugged in. We have power, as you can see right there. And we're going to turn it on right now.
Oh, God! Ooh. Ooh, it's jizzy. Hey, Joey, you want to see this thing, water cool?
About to get some of my eyes.
Ooh, we need more liquid cool stuff. Here. Hold this,
Whoa, wait, don't you want to shut it off to put in the liquid cool? So it doesn't spurt everywhere?
On the food table.
Okay, we're going to turn this off now.
That fan is noisy.
Well, and this is just... Yeah, we'll get to it in a second here.
Look at the glycol. It's green. Oh, Joey, can you help Yoni?
Do what?
You need to be an octopus to actually put in fluid into this water-cooled unit.
Want me to be an octopus?
No, I want you to hold the...
Almost gonna...
I wanted you to hold the lamp while he was working.
Okay. And we are going to try it
Flashlight.
again.
Close doors.
Here we go. Ready?
Yes, Portia. Ooh, there's a lot of air bubbles in your pipe. Okay, you hear that noise?
Yeah, that's that. It goes away when you let it start up for a second. And this is pumping.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is not the case fan. That is the video card.
And we have this is running. This is running.
Give it the clamps.
We have this is running.
You have a...
And here, check this out. Fan LED. I'm going to turn this off. This is what I love about this case. Green.
Oh, dear
Red.
God.
Christmas!
Wait, I didn't do that. Do that again?
It is. It's running right
No,
now.
no. Change the colors again.
Oh, okay. Blue. Oh, that's just color cycling.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Okay.
Buy a case for the color lights that it emits. Now,
blue, green, red, and now it does the spinning
I think
thing.
your motherboard's in failure.
No, FF is good.
Oh, FF is good, yes.
And once this gets up to speed with heat, this thing actually stops. But, you know, when I'm going to be building my machine for realsies, it's going to be sitting pretty. I'm just going to
See
add
the
some
FF
more.
kids? Kids, viewers. Viewers like... Oh, he's leaving. He won't admit to the fart.
Okay, well, I'm going to just top this off here. But, it's a successful boot, boys and girls.
With an annoying video card.
Well, like I said, it does go away over time. It's been like that since I got it.
Since you got it.
Yup. It just makes the sound. It doesn't,
That would make me nervous. Okay, so what did we learn about this case? Well, it's a very nice case to work with. Also, the power... I don't know why everybody's into this power supply on the bottom thing, but it's a huge thing now. A lot of cases have it.
It seems to be part of the course, if you ask me.
Yeah, and the motherboard gets mounted above. And we're putting some more water cooling in there. Liquid cooling, sorry. There's a lot of air cooling coming on in this thing. In addition, oh, what did I just do? I did the photo button. Sorry. In addition, there's a little connector on the side, which I had originally thought was for intrusion detection. Oh, camera's having problems focusing on it.
Yeah, it's right there.
Now I'm having trouble finding it. That's my kitchen freezer. Oh, Oh my god.
Okay, good deal. It's right there.
Ah, there we go. Okay,
Yes.
so get
That's
your light off. Thank you. Now here we go. You see how there's that connector? Well, that actually connects to a fan on the front panel. Sorry, I'm zooming out kind of fast. I know that probably made you kind of sick. Show me the front panel. Side panel, sorry. Ah.
This is
so
the
here.
panel, complete with directional fins.
Oh, that's kind of funky.
Yeah. Okay, so now what we do is we...
Well, those are internal. Oh no, you missed the best part of this fan. Ladies and gentlemen, a filter.
Actually, I covered that in my review of it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
There.
Very nice. It also adds a completely gigantic bulk to the case that can't be fathomed. I mean, it's huge. Look how much off the side that is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Ah. Oh, my dick.
What did you do?
I mean, it's huge.
Okay. And now, as we close it,
The fan will come
the
off.
fan will come on.
Is it blue?
Well, no, it'll color cycle.
No, it won't. It'll be just blue. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Jiminy Cricket. Okay, so it seems
Color
like...
cycle.
Yeah, but you see, you messed the other one up. It seems that if you start one,
Yeah,
you have to keep them sunk in a way. So I wonder if we shut this case off.
no, watch
What?
this.
Oh,
Okay.
come on, that's so cheap. Okay, so the lights
Now-
are blue on top.
Everything is synced.
Now everything's sunk, and now he's back to uniformity. Alrighty. Oh, and show him the front of the case.
Oh,
Here.
Going
Show
for a
'em the
ride.
front. Yep. So basically, your case looks like a clown built it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's see if that thing works. Does it
Yeah.
work?
It does work. I'll have to program the crap out of it, but it does in fact work, and it lights up.
We didn't put the sensor on.
No.
No.
Well,
so-
we'll get there soon enough. But,
Yeah. The heat probe is not mounted.
Fan
yet.
2, temperature 3. So we do. That's the inside temperature, 19.4 degrees Celsius. Just
Oh, by the way,
ambient
we are
temperature
in
case.
the winter in New York, so it's pretty cold.
Yes.
It's pretty cold up here. Look at the back of the case. You can see that there's a lot of
Let me
wiring
just-
ports.
Slide that back in. There it is. Oh,
Yeah.
so the trick with the AeroCool is you have to do it on the left side. That's where the catch is.
Either that or yours.
We'll have to cover up the back, but the other side. But, and there it is.
You know what I like about this? I don't need a gigantic window into my computer. Let's show them your old case.
Oh, they've seen it. We've.
Oh, they've seen the old
Yeah,
case? Well, the
it's-
old case looks like a dust ball.
Mhm.
And I like this case because it has a window if you want to dress it up. But if you don't care too much, it's not much of a window. I don't know. I think they're overrated windows. Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah. So I think
Successful
that's it.
build.
Yes, and the window is very nice because you can see the liquid flowing through the CPU.
And color cycling lights. Woo! There it is. Another successful build by Yonex and Neil.
Hello, coming back in. So some things we might have left out. There's on the AeroCool, which is over here. You can see there's a eSATA port, which is nice. But again, eSATA ports without power basically just you have to find an external power source, which kind of sucks. There's a USB plug, which is okay, but kind of redundant since you have so many along the case already. Then there's a card reader. It doesn't have it does have micro SD. Okay, micro SD would probably make it useful for now. Most cell phones, everything else uses micro SD, so you really, really want to have that. What I thought was really interesting is on the Big Water 760 Plus. you can control the fluid, how the fan speed for the fluid. So it's actually right on top, and I spoke about this earlier, but you can control the speed from low to high. Hey, there you go. There's a novel approach. But also what I think is cute is that it has a normal light and a refill light. So do you mind if I turn it on for a sec?
I unplugged it.
Plug it in.
Hang on.
Okay. We're going to plug it in momentarily, and we're going to see if the normal light is on now.
Go.
Okay. Hi, you see, and the normal light's on. So that's a very good indicator. There's probably some sort of sensor to get the refill light to come on, and you see it's blinking now, which is probably normal as it starts up. Or maybe not. You'd have to read about that one.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can see inside the fan. That's pretty nice. And that's it again. Alright. Thanks again.
Greetings and salutations, YouTube. So basically, that's it. Everything is done. I hooked everything up. Little problem with the video card. Ended up having to swap one for the other and then updating the driver. Really not such a big deal. No catastrophic failures or what have you. But you can see it really shines. It looks really nice. I'll show you in a second. Obviously the paperclip thing, hit or miss. You know, this time not so much. But I have had it work for me in the past. But here it is. Here's the actual machine. You can see I'm rendering out a video right now. That's Adobe Premiere. And this is the actual case. I added the accessory for, this is actually for holding the earpiece. It says, you can see here, headphone hanger. So, put that there. And it really shines in the dark. So, hold on 1 second here. Just get the dark here. So you can see really well. There's the actual temperature gauge. I haven't actually attached it to the CPU or cooling block yet, but I'm going to. That's the ambient temperature inside the case, and you can see that's basically what it looks like inside. But when we activate the color cycling, which I really think is really cool, and that's it. Red. I may add just one internal light to illuminate this window. But here's the color cycling. And there it is. You have to admit, it really does look kind of funky. Doing its thing like that. Alright. And the tubing, I don't know if it's reacting properly. I'll turn the monitor off and you can see better. Just having it on, the tubing just really pops, and I think that's really cool. I keep on losing focus here. Oh. There it is. So, anyway, so that's that. Build complete. And we'll see you next week. Sorry it takes so long to upload these. It's not a quick thing. They're 10 to 15 minutes each, and I think we'll do something a little bit shorter next week. Thanks.